Hello guys, my name is Doke and these are my cans. That's pretty cool, right? And this is the wall that I'm about to paint today. Yeah, that's pretty cool too, right? Except, as you can see over here, the wall is falling apart a little. Not a big deal. Not today. I plan to build my own wall anyways. But back to the point of today's raw video. I'll paint graffiti with graffiti. You might be wondering, what the hell am I talking about? Well, I guess that you're just gonna see. So, let's begin. Gloves. Sunshine, 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 sunshine. Oh, there's the big hole. Interesting, right? Yeah, I know, not at all. Let's start with the painting. Beautiful little throwies. The thing that I'm doing right now might be a doodle background for a character, or you know, something else, or it might be something different. Well, you're gonna see. I had one mission today. Don't get these sneakers dirty. Damn it. Nice. This is gonna be a fun little piece. It's time to plan the colors now. I got some shades of purple and pink over here, and then turquoise. Yeah, so these are the colors, and then there is black for the fill. Not fill, outline. I got these 60 milliliters big boys for that. Makes perfect sense, right? It will. Maybe. Maybe yes. And maybe no. But I hope that it will. A lot of throwies and a lot of dots. It should start to make sense right now. You know how I always complain about the weather. Well, I have to admit that in the last month or so, I couldn't really complain. First of all, it's spring, my favorite time for the painting. And another important thing, it doesn't rain at all. Like, not at all for the last month, and that's really unusual in my country. So I guess that it is clear what's going on over here right now. The thing is that right now I'm gonna make it less clear. I hope that you know what I'm talking about. Well, let's just paint it. Damn it. I have to admit that this is it's quite a lot of work, because I need to pay attention to a lot of shapes, and it's also a big wall, you know. Doesn't really matter what you paint, but if it's big, then it means that there is a lot to do. So the wall at the moment looks beautiful. I like it, but it's not done yet. Like, not at all. It's time for this big guy, Burner Black. Bam. the first big boy, he's done. This is a lot of lines, but I bet that after this painting I'll never forget my throwee, my current throwee. This is what I was talking about. What was visible before disappeared, but that's not completely okay. I want it to be visible, but I don't want to make it too obvious, but visible, and that might be a little problem. So I just applied the transparent black to just specific places to make the thing hidden in this painting pop. I'm not sure if it really worked, but well, maybe. And this is the final step that should help. There is one more thing that I want to do, because I still don't feel like it's visible enough. I didn't really want to do this, but I created something insane. An insane effect. You know how I talked about the visibleness of the letters in this piece? After all these adjustments, they are more visible, but still you can't really see them unless you almost close your eyes and you see it a little bit blurred, and suddenly you see everything. That's insane. I love the way how this wall look just as it is, but the fact that there is also something hidden inside of this doodle or whatever, I just love that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you like it, thumb up would be awesome. And yeah, this is great. I didn't really want to create any effect today, but somehow I did. This is